Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, in this video recipe, we're going to show you how to do beer brats. I've messed around with this recipe a bunch of different ways over the years, and this is just kind of what we like. But the question is, I asked Babe this earlier, are beer brats more of like a summer or like a fall type thing?
I thought they were summer because
I think they're fall.
I think barbecue brats.
But they're not really barbecue. Well,
what do you think?
So, this is the plan today. You guys could do this on a pot on the stove and then, or in a cast iron or whatever. We are going to get a little disposable tin. We're going to get all of our ingredients, our brats, everything, and we're going to do it outside on the Weber kettle, on the barbecue. Then we're going to transfer the cooked product onto the 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle. We're going to finish it up, give it in that nice color, that little extra flavor, put them on a good, nice roll, and it's going to be epic.
Ooh, I'm so excited. I love these.
All right, follow along with this recipe. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
And here we go.
So this is a one-pot recipe. Everything is going to go into this little baby, and we're going to put it right on the grill. We have brown sugar, bell peppers, apple cider vinegar, yellow onion, 2 brown ales. You can use using Newcastle. You can use Guinness. You like what, Babe?
I like Guinness or Newcastle. Those are my 2 favorite for this recipe.
A little oil for the Blackstone, pepper, a whole stick of butter, and your brats. Oh look, a little baby bell inside of the bell.
All right, you guys, so you start out by getting all your vegetables cut up. Babe loves cutting onions. Huh, Babe?
No.
And then we'll show you what to do the rest of the way. Hey, Babe.
Yeah, Babe.
Cooking tip.
Sure.
When you cook, you take out the paper in the thing, Babe. Yeah, that has that and all the glue under all that has to come out, Babe. Yeah. Good job. Carrying on. What's that face, Babe?
It's already burning.
It's just an onion, Babe. It's grown from the earth.
You aren't doing this then.
Because I'm the cameraman.
Now that I've regained my eyesight after cutting that onion, I'm gonna do the garlic. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves of garlic in there. 6? 5. We're doing a really big cook tonight because we have friends coming over, so we're doing 8 brats. So if you're doing less, if you're doing 4, you cut it down. You don't need as much as we're using. Okay, great. Let's ninja this garlic. Alright, so the only thing you're putting in to start is the onions, the butter, and the garlic. I love this ninja. The link's below. Get yourself one. I'm making this happen on the barbecue, not the oven, because when Josh and I first started dating, he made it for me on a barbecue. So
you're trying to relive the glory. You're trying to relive the glory days, or what?
Now that my eyes aren't burning from the onions, though, they're burning
from the hickory wood.
Mm-hmm.
All right, babe, I'm ready. So you're putting that right over your heat source, and you're going to get that garlic, that butter, that onion all sautéed up. So here's a fun fact. If you put these big old pork bratwursts in a pot or vat of boiling beer or water or sauce or whatever, the bratwurst will split, and you don't want that. It'll taste delicious, but you want it to also look sexy. So we're kind of sauteing it. We're going to add all the ingredients in, and we're going to add the bratwurst in, and we're going to bring it all up to a simmer, like a rolling simmer, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Then we're going to finish it on the flat top, on the Blackstone.
Add a little bit of olive oil. Does that look good?
Yeah.
See how we're doing. Oh yeah, baby.
All the wonderful colors in.
We're going to do a handful of brown sugar. I have tiny hands, so just put some brown sugar in there. I have 2 dark beers. This is the fun part. apple cider vinegar.
Just a couple tablespoons for that twang.
Good.
I mean, you guys, the smell already is amazing.
Mm-hmm. Heavy amount of black pepper. Okay, one more little stir with the black pepper, and then we will cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes.
Babe, you're forgetting the most important ingredient.
What?
The brats.
Okay.
15 minutes. 15 minutes, I just popped the lid. We're gonna give it a little stir. I mean, look at this, it's simmering. It smells absolutely amazing. Give it a little stir, we'll let it go for like a couple more minutes.
One eternity later.
Babe had an outfit change. How's your brats looking?
Delicious. Smelling fantastical.
How much longer do you think they need to go? Are the peppers soft? You guys, you just want to get the brats semi-cooked because we're going to finish them on the Blackstone, and you want the peppers to get a little bit soft, and then we're going to finish those on the Blackstone as well.
I think that's good.
Is it Blackstone time?
I think so.
All right, it's time for Blackstone.
Throw the meat and the peppers and onions on the grill and make them look nice with some color.
Babe, you really want to get that crust. You want to get that extra flavor. You want to get that Blackstone deliciousness.
Why don't you turn the camera around for the people?
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Show them your outfit.
I don't want to.
You're my soulmate.
I'm not happy about this.
It's the greatest thing ever.
I'm not happy about this.
All right, and then I'm gonna cut the roll and throw that on there. We got some mustard, some goodies. Let's do this here. Let's do this.
So you laid down a little bit of oil.
A little bit of oil. It's very high. Very
Yeah,
high.
babe, you want to get that beautiful crust on it.
Oh!
And grab a handful of awesome peppers and get that on there as well. You're gonna toast that delicious fresh roll up.
Yeah, I am.
Gonna put a little bit of oil on it.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, let's do right here. Let's do. We have a nice charred roll. Nice and toasty.
I don't think the word is charred, babe. I think the word is delicious.
Sorry, a nice, delicious, toasty roll.
That was baked today.
It was baked today. I got it straight from the bakery. We have some Dijon mustard. It smells fantastic, this roll. Okay.
I really wanted to use the German hot seeded mustard, but we didn't have that.
Okay, are you ready? Hello, gorgeous. How are you doing? Okay. Let's wrap it up.
Wrap that wiener, it's a PSA.
Yeah, public service announcement. Oh yeah, baby. What do you think about that? Do you like that?
All right, people, it's thumbnail time.
Here we go. So good. You get sweet from the brown sugar, the peppers. You get spicy from the mustard. And then that wiener is packed with flavor. Want to try it?
Yeah. Oh,
Is it good? Yummy, yummy. In your tummy?
that's what I was craving.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's fall or summer. That's what I was craving. Make this, you guys. Make this.
Okay. That's it. The end.